Hey guys, I'm Renee with Neptune Cigars. Today we're going to be looking at how to troubleshoot a common issue a lot of us have to deal with our humidors, and that's testing its seal. Let's go ahead and take a look. A humidor has one main job, and that's to keep your cigars fresh until they're ready to smoke. Now sometimes improper maintenance or even just old age, you'll find that the humidity level inside the box is a little bit less than desirable. If you feel that your humidor is not keeping the proper humidity level, there's a quick and easy way to find out if a bad seal could be the culprit. Known simply as the dollar test, this can be done anywhere at any time. All you need is $1. Let's take a look. All right, so to begin, open your humidor, get your dollar bill, and lay it along one of the sides, closing the lid completely on it. Then, gently tug on the bill. I do mean gently. If you do it too hard, it's going to come out regardless, and you don't want to freak out for no reason. As you can see, the bill is not moving. That's a good sign. You want to do this along every side of your humidor, and if it's a large box, you might want to do this along the entire edge of every side, like so. Sometimes a leak can occur in just one small spot, so this will help you determine if that's the case. All right, so far so good. Make sure to do every side. And then last but not least, always remember to test the rear hinge. Perfect. Now, once you've done that, your best friend here is going to be a digital hygrometer. These come pre-calibrated from factory, and this will tell you exactly what's happening inside of your box. Relative humidity should be between 65 and 75. If you've been struggling with relative humidity below 65, this will help you determine and give you peace of mind whether or not the seal is the problem. So, as you can see, the dollar test is a fantastic way to test the seal of your humidor. Now, it's not foolproof, however. If you perform the test and you still see that there's low humidity levels inside the box, there could be something else at play, like a leaky glass top, or even just an old warped humidor. Either way, I hope this test helps give you a little bit more peace of mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give us a like, and also drop a comment down below if you want to see more videos just like this. See you next time.